Hello, my darlings, and welcome. I invite you to join me as we embark on a transformative meditation exploring the soothing waves, the gentle caress of the sea breeze, and the vast expanse of the ocean, and knowing that you are enough and you are perfect as you are. Let's do some magical crafting. You may wish to do this meditation seated, lying down, or as a moving meditation while walking. Do not listen to this guided meditation while driving. Find a comfortable space to begin your journey, and let's dive in. Close your eyes and visualize yourself standing on the shore of a vast and tranquil ocean. Feel the soft, warm sand beneath your feet and the gentle breeze caressing your skin. As you gaze out at the endless horizon of water, understand that this ocean symbolizes the infinite wellspring of self-worth within you. The ocean represents the depths of your being, a vast and uncharted territory filled with treasures of self-acceptance. Just as the ocean holds countless mysteries, so do you hold the power to explore and embrace your own worthiness. Imagine the first gentle wave of self-acceptance washing over your feet. As it touches you, feel a warm and soothing sensation, like a loving embrace from the universe. This wave carries with it the message that you are enough, just as you are. With each subsequent wave that rolls in, allow these affirmations to resonate within you. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I am perfect in my imperfections. I embrace myself with compassion and kindness. Let the waves of self-acceptance wash away any self-doubt or judgment, leaving you cleansed and renewed. Take a deep breath and visualize yourself diving into the crystal clear waters of the ocean. As you descend deeper into its depths, you discover the treasures of your true self. These treasures represent your unique qualities, talents, and the essence of who you are. As you uncover each treasure, repeat to yourself, I am a valuable and unique individual. My worth is not determined by external validation. I embrace my true self with love and gratitude. Allow these affirmations to fill your heart and soul as you continue to explore the depths of your self-worth. Imagine yourself floating effortlessly in the ocean's currents, carried by the soothing embrace of self-acceptance. With each gentle current that guides you, feel the weight of self-judgment and self-doubt being lifted from your shoulders. As you ride these currents, repeat after me. I release all self-criticism and negative self-talk. I embrace my unique beauty and essence. I am worthy of love and admiration. Allow the currents of self-acceptance to wash away any lingering doubts, leaving you feeling weightless and free. With your eyes still closed, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a radiant light glowing within you, glowing brighter with each breath that you take. This light represents the truth that you are enough and you are perfect as you are. As you bask in the warmth of this inner light, repeat these affirmations either out loud or in your mind. I am enough. I am perfect as I am. I love and accept myself unconditionally. Feel the profound sense of self-worth radiating from your heart, enveloping you in a cocoon of love and acceptance. Slowly begin to rise toward the surface, ascending from the depths of the ocean. As you approach the shore, know that you carry with you the wisdom of self-acceptance and the knowledge that you are enough. Step onto the shore once more, and as you do, embrace the earth beneath your feet as a symbol of your grounded self-worth. Know that you can return to this ocean of self-acceptance whenever you need to reaffirm your value. As you are standing on the wet sand, feeling the foamy water of each wave move in and out, pooling around your toes, listen to the sound of the ocean as it moves ceaselessly, and listen to my words of affirmation and know that they are true. You are worthy of love and respect. Feel this truth settling in your heart. You are enough just as you are. Embrace the comfort of this realization. You are valuable and deserving of all good things. Let this affirmation fill you with confidence. You are loved and appreciated for who you are. Accept this love with an open heart. You have unique gifts and strengths. Trust in your abilities and let them shine. Your presence in this world makes a positive difference. Believe in your impact. You deserve to take up space and to be heard. Own your voice and your story. You are capable of overcoming any challenge that comes your way. Feel your inner strength. You are growing and evolving each day. Celebrate your progress and your journey. You are deserving of kindness and compassion from others and from yourself. Embrace this tenderness. You are complete and whole just as you are. Recognize and cherish your inner beauty. As this meditation concludes, the music will continue to play for a few more minutes, allowing you to bask in the afterglow of self-worth and self-acceptance. Take a few moments to breathe deeply and gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Until we meet again, carry the wisdom of the ocean with you, and may you always embrace your self-worth and acceptance. Remember that you are enough and you are perfect as you are.